Welcome to BGB, Boundary Gate and Barrier. This video is of a speed gate installation at Aston University, home to a student body of over 11,000. The safety and security of all who visit, work and study at the university is a priority. By installing speed gates, ID cards will now be automated. All speed gates are equipped with emergency features that allow them to be easily bypassed, if need be. But also come with tailgating detection to stop any unauthorized entrance from following others through a gate. For accessibility purposes, a larger speed gate has been installed that will allow wheelchairs or other mobility devices to pass through quickly and securely. The gates are bidirectional and can be switched between in and out. So during busy times, staff can change these accordingly. Reception and security will monitor the flow and will open the gates to increase capacity should it be required. And all done from the control of an iPad. Here at BGB we supply extensive services, including installation, bespoke maintenance plans, together with a 24/7 emergency call-out service. If you would like to know more about the services we provide, or you would like a free consultation on any forthcoming projects you may have, simply call us on 0844 413 0184, where our knowledgeable staff are on hand to assist you.